Right, we are at the Beekman Hotel in New York City. It's the one by the the United Nations. This is the trademark collection. It's kind of like a small apartment. This is through Wyndham, and if you're staying in New York, this is a great use of points right here because you can see it's almost like a small apartment. There's the front door, and I did not get a before video because stuff came up. So we've been here 4 days. So take that in mind. Get a closet there. I'll go slow. We got the safe on top. Laundry basket and soap. They just changed their washer and dryers out here. They're in the basement. You can just take the elevator down to it. Free washer and dryers. Free. And if you need soap, just ask them if you need more than the one load, just ask them at the front counter and they'll give you some more soap. But you got a couch over here. My boss is on. Paint on the wall. TV, remote. Hook the Roku up, no issues. Cool thing about this, by the TV, they give you the Wi-Fi and the password. So you can just log on normal, like you were at the house, which is really nice. Window over there. Not much of a view here. You can get a little view. I'll show you. You can kind of see some buildings here. You can kind of see the bridge over there a little bit. Not much of a view, but it's fine. Table over here. And remember I said we've been here 4 days, so we're just getting ready to leave. Kitchen. There. Everything in here came with it. And we went to the store and got some crackers and bread. Stove, fridge. Big freezer down there. Here's the bedroom. Another closet here. Another big TV here. These are smart TVs with a couple apps, so you might not need the Roku. Bed was comfortable. The clock had USB ports. And I don't think this view is different over here, but we will see. Yep, kind of the same. Bathroom is kind of small. I will say that. Over here, sink, and the shower right here. It's kind of small, but it's not a bad place. They're really nice. 6 in the morning to 10:30 or 11, they got a coffee bar downstairs open. Nice, good coffee, and or hot chocolate if you prefer hot chocolate or tea. They have that down there. So overall, it's a good place to stay. That's it. Hope everybody has a good day. Bye. I'll show you the front of the hotel. Here's First Avenue, which runs parallel on the east side, right by the river on the east side of the island. And all those flagpoles right there is the UN. When the flags are out there in session. 3 Mitchell Place is the address. And the front door is right here. So you walk in, the elevators are right here. Lobby, check-ins there. Coffee's down there, weight room's down there, and here's your elevators. If you need to go down the steps, they're right there for the laundry. But that elevator on the left will take you down. Here's a picture of the weight room here. Everything you need if you're here for a while. And filtered water. And as you come out of the weight room, you got the lobby and coffee. Conference room. 6 to 11 coffee. And the lobby's in here. Elevators, front door, top restaurant. This was actually Frank Sinatra's favorite New York bar and restaurant, so he would come here all the time. Great view. You can see here it goes across here. We did not get a chance to come here. It was on our list. We just didn't make it. And you can reserve little tables. You can see, go right down. That's First Street, right there. And United Nations is right there. So that's it. You can even sit outside and look at the river. Okay, great feature here is free laundry room. So they got 16 of 8 sets of laundry. I'll go back so you can see. And totally free. Washes are on the bottom, on top. Soap is just up at the desk if you want soap and you can wash it. Because this is kind of like a long-term stay. They don't make the room up unless you're here more than 7 days. I might have repeated that. If I did, I apologize. But that way you can, it's a longer term. They got, with the kitchen and everything like that. So I actually got, because I got 3 going. This is some bags we have, real delicates. And there's just normal stuff there. So I'm just doing 3 loads here. So this is a great feature of this place right here.